Here are all the pieces that come with your display. You'll have no problem setting up your EasyFabric display. Wheel your transport case to your setup area. First, you'll empty out the contents of your case. This case meets airline guidelines for checked baggage. Remove the frame. Graphic print and light box. Next, you'll set up your frame. Locate the light box. You're going to attach the LED lights to the aluminum frame. Take the cover off the lights and slide them into the light brackets. Put the light box back in the transport case and move to make more room to expand the frame. Stand the aluminum frame upright. Grabbing two of the corners, take a few steps back, allowing the frame to expand. Now, you'll need to snap the spacer bars together. Do this by pressing on the plastic hubs as shown here. Next, you'll attach the graphic print. The top of the print will go at the top of the frame by the lights. Starting at one of the bottom corners, attach the Velcro on the print to the Velcro on the frame. You can see how you will need to fold some of the fabric over the top. These are the side panels, which will attach to the side tabs. Now, using your hands, work your way down the print, making sure the print is not gathering in any spots. You may have to tug on the fabric a bit to ensure this. It's important that the Velcro on the print is lining up with the Velcro on the frame. Now you can attach the side panels. Next, you'll attach the power adapters. Stand the display up. Now, unpack the power adapters for the lights. Simply plug them into the back of the lights, turn on, and you're done. There's also a hard-wheeled transport case option that, like the fabric case, meets airline guidelines for checked baggage. This hard case converts into a podium and has an option for a custom printed graphic skirt.